Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you how to install WFG Netsheets on your phone. I happen to be on an Android phone, but it works the same either way. Let me go over and scroll over to, on my Android device, the Play Store. I'm going to type in WFG Netsheets. That's the one I want right there. I'm going to go ahead and install it. So when you're new, you're going to be doing create an account. So you're going to go down to the button at the bottom that says create an account. You're going to put in your first name, your last name, email, password. You're going to confirm your password, set up your phone, all that information. And then at the very bottom here, you're going to enter in your activation code. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and fill this in. And then you're going to get to the last section. This is where you're going to put in your activation code. Your activation code is actually going to be different for different regions, different locations. You'll actually get that from your local WFG National Title sales rep or account rep. So you get that activation code. And at that point, you'll register your account.